Welcome back to You Revise, where we talk about everything exams. Let us take a look at question 34A from the 2016 exam. It says the data below were collected from an acid-base titration. I'm not sure. I'll have to find out this. This should have been was collected because data was collected. Label the equivalence point on the titration curve below using an arrow and record the pH value at this point. According to the examiner, this question was attempted by 4,974 candidates. The mean score was 3.9 out of 6, and some people got maximum marks, some people did not get anything at all. Now, many candidates did not follow the instructions provided to label because the command word clearly says label, so which means you must write something. You know how to label a diagram or label something. Failed to label the equivalence point on the curve. In many cases, there was a dot or just some mark on the curve, but no label. Okay. Few candidates illustrated that they used a ruler to read the corresponding y-axis in order to obtain the quoted figure. So how do we determine the equivalence point? It's half this inflection line or line of inflection or this inflection point. So what you do is if you find half of this, you draw a line along there to illustrate this is your working out this line here to show the examiner how you got that. So for me, I'm getting 5. So I need to label this as equivalence point. Equivalence point. That's my equivalence point right there. And the pH value at equivalence point is going to be 5. I have to record the value as well. So there are two command words, label, yeah, and then record, and we've recorded that. According to the marking guide, you could get there was an allowance of 4.8 plus or minus 0.5. Right. Some of my students ask me, how did they get 0.5? Because this scale goes up, the limit of measurement on the pH scale is 1. And the uncertainty that you put here is always half the limit of measurement, which is 0.5. Okay, because this is just like an analog scale. We're going from 0, 1, 2, 3. There are other values in between. So yeah, so I've got 0.5. This is how we get 0.5 here. Right, that's the answer for this question. I shall see you when you attempt the next question. Thank you once again for watching. I shall see you in the next video. I hope this video was very helpful, and I would love to hear any questions, any concerns, or anything that you think could have been done differently in this video.